Hey friends, today we're going to draw a zombie gamer.
And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. This one was a lot of fun, and I hope our friends are excited to follow along. We're using our markers to draw and color with.
But you can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start with drawing our zombie kid's mouth. And we're gonna draw him happy. I'm gonna draw a little smile right here in the middle. And you could change this, it doesn't have to be, you could draw it maybe gross, maybe slime or something coming out of its mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle here. You could draw this whole thing different. You could draw the eyes, maybe one falling out. And then let's color in these circles. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. And I'm gonna start over here on the left, and we're gonna draw it coming down, over, and then come back up to match on the other side. Yeah, and then we could draw the top of our kid's head. I'm gonna draw a big upside down or rainbow line. I was gonna say upside down U. And then right here, we could draw a little bite mark coming out of the head. So we'll draw these letter U's connected to each other. And then let's draw the hair. We can draw a curve coming up, and then a zigzag down, and another curve. And then we can draw a curve going this way, zigzag, and then curve down. Nice. Okay, now let's draw the headphones. We're gonna draw a big sideways letter U and a big, that's a lot bigger than I was planning, but it looks awesome. These are really big headphones.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the part that goes over the head. I don't know what this is called, headband. We're gonna draw it through the headphones and then over to the other side. Yeah, and then we could also draw the mic, and we're gonna draw an old school mic that comes out from here, comes around. And then let's draw a backwards kind of U, letter U, and then we'll go around and draw this big oval shape. Okay, now let's draw the hands hanging on to the controller. We're gonna draw two letter C's. We're gonna draw them backwards and frontwards, and kind of close together. Or you can draw a really big controller.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw the controller, the top of the controller, coming over and connecting the two hands together. Then on each side, we'll draw a short line coming down. Then we're gonna draw in between, we're gonna draw it curving up, over, and then curving down to match on the other side. Then we can also draw little buttons just on the top. You can barely see them, one on each side. If you want, you could add more details, but I think we leave it just like that.
Yeah.
Let's draw the rest of our zombie's body and arms and legs. So we can start by drawing the t-shirt. We're gonna come down out of the cheeks on both sides. And then we can draw, this is gonna be a little confusing, but we'll take it one step at a time. So the top of the hand, we're gonna draw it further out. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the armpit right here, coming up from the hand. And then the t-shirt, we can draw curving or coming back into, mine's kind of right in line with the arm. Yeah, you could go right into, right above, yeah. That's a big sleeve. That's cool. I like it. You can keep going all the way into that line. Yeah. And then right here, let's draw out of the t-shirt, we'll draw curving for the elbow and then into the bottom of the hand. And then same thing over here. Yes, that looks awesome. Yeah. Okay, this arm is super strong. Yeah. We can draw the fingers. I'm gonna draw 3 fingers on each hand, or 3 lines, 3 finger lines on each hand. Yes, and then we can draw the t-shirt coming down past. So imagine this line coming down here, and then that one coming out on this side too. And then we'll draw the bottom of the t-shirt. Then we can draw the pants coming down further. And then right here, we'll draw the middle of the pants. And then the legs, the inside of the legs coming down. And then this side, on the inside, draw this one longer than the outside. And then we'll draw the pants, or the bottom of the pants. Or this could be the shoes, actually. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then we'll draw the shoes, top of the shoes curving, and then back in on both sides. So curving out for the toes, and then the bottom of the shoes. Okay, it kind of just looks like a kid. We need to make it more zombie. Let's draw this pant leg torn. And then we can also draw a hole in this one. So I'm going to draw just a crazy spiky shape. And we could also draw it torn up here on the shoulder. And we could also draw another bite on his arm. Let's add a curve for the neck on the t-shirt. And we could add more zombie stuff, but let's switch to coloring. This part will fast forward, and you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring our zombie gamers, and it turned out awesome.
It did.
Yeah, this one was a lot of fun. I hope our friends had fun too, and I hope you finished your drawing by adding color and even a background.
Yeah, you could draw your whole living room.
Oh yeah, you could make this look more like yourself.
Yeah.
As a zombie.
You could also add more details.
Yeah, we added stitches on the face and also the arm. I also used a darker green for, I don't know what that is, like he's beat up.
Yeah.
Or kind of gross.
We also added shading.
Yeah, to make it look more 3D.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a zombie gamer.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.